You're one of you're the host, and my friend Ochi. Two Spanish going at the box. Two Spanish going. Everybody.
Can you send something for Derrick, please? Son, Derrick is begging something, please. Michi, kitchen.
As 8 o'clock, and each and everybody run out at 8 o'clock this Thursday.
Yeah, we're gonna come back.
Come on, child, people. You see, people put up Rosealee, say Rosealee dead, and put on a funeral song, and them something there. Yeah, and she never say nothing.
Punch boss, big up.
You know, James?
Eh? What you say now, uncle?
Me say them put Rosealee in a funeral homes for the program.
Yeah.
Yes, and she know what about that, you know. She keep herself cool. But them have funeral song them, the funeral song them put her, you know.
You have to go release them, the uncle, man.
Me know if you find them back again.
Oh. Where they post them on your old page?
Two of them for my old page, we can't find them back. Wally.
Yeah, no, send something. Why, you look like the was done for good this time now, because sometimes, you know, be friend.
Me don't want a friend for Rosealee back again. Me don't want a friend for Rosealee back. Me don't want a blood clot friend for Rosealee back. Nobody again. We're going to talk about 8 o'clock Thursday. I'm going to make a poster and put it out. Each and everybody come on 8 o'clock. We're going to talk about Rosealee.
Brian, big up yourself, you know, man. Big up yourself. Thanks for your gift for your Uncle Derrick. Guys, send up some gift for your uncle, man. Talk up things to my uncle, man. Listen, man. We have almost 400 people. They want to hear what I go down.
Yes, we have to run out this Thursday at 8 o'clock sharp with Rosealee. 1 hour interview.
You hear that, guys?
1 hour interview. The video, the posters are go tomorrow.
Nina, what happened, man? Derrick and Rose, you know, then go at it as always.
What should I talk about Nina? What the person said what?
What happened with Romeo? Oh, you probably should say Romesh. Oh, see the Romesh. No, what happened to Romesh? Nothing happened to Romesh.
You see them mix up.
Let me hear what she said. What happened to Romesh, Nina? What happened with Romesh? We don't know what she said. You guys send up some gift. There we go, can't. Well, send some gift, guys.
Derrick, you can't read. No, me can't read. Derrick, no, me can't read. You come read for me now. Come read for me.
Guys, we think so. We have an idea what we go to, guys. I don't know if Uncle go approve of it, but I go unblock 1,000 people. If you want to set up some gift, if it's a good idea, so we can unblock 1,000 people and free up some page.
But you have to know who you unblock.
Me know, man. Me know. I unblock the people and we have gift badge and there's something there. Roman. So if you think it's a good idea, guys, to unblock 1,000 people, send up some gift.
Come on for this. But go look secret. We can't. Come on for this.
Derrick have a lot of enemy. Yeah, we know say have a lot of enemy. We're not gonna unblock everybody, man. Right? That's the case to me. I deal with love, so yeah. Your uncle, I'm coming for this. Word of Samantha.
Guys, remember.
Congratulations. Rush, you can send something Rush, please, for Derrick. Talk, uncle, talk, man. Come here.
Guys, remember, so this Thursday at 8 o'clock. may have an interview. We're going to talk about Rosealee at 8 o'clock p.m. at 8 o'clock sharp. Short 1 hour interview. 1 hour interview. 1 hour interview.
Hear that, guys? Alright, big up yourself, Bad Indian. Big up yourself. Uncle, big up Bad Indian. No.
Bad Indian. Talk about yourself, Bad Indian. And each and everybody want to be about the interview on a need. We come over Derrick Morgan and drop gift. So Kim, when I go unblock the people them.
Yes, guys. Oh wait, that's why I was to give a comment. Wait there. Bad Indian, thanks for your gift. And we appreciate it. We're there looking for your uncle. So guys, okay, big up yourself, okay, which big up yourself, okay. Uncle, big up K, uncle. Bad Indian.
Big up K.
Yeah, guys. When I start unblock them, I'll right now in 990 if me get some gift.
Yeah.
Start unblock people right now in 990. I'll unblock 1,000 people. Right, you say 2,000, I'm unblock 1,000. So, sorry for him, but. Alright, okay, big up yourself. Yeah, unblocking people, man. So I give to them I talk to. But Indian, big up yourself. Thank you so much. Why don't you? So guys, once you don't want to see me unblock 1,000 people, I promise. Uncle, send me a moderator. Come on, we're gonna make it happen for sure. If they're serious, yes, a gift them are coming. So guys, send up a gift them if you don't want to get one page free up. I unblock 1,000 people. Claude 5, can I send uncle something, please? But guys, I don't think it's a good idea if you unblock 1,000 people. Let me know in the comment section. Can I send uncle something, please? Somebody say yes. Alright. One more comment now. As one gift. Yeah, alright. Yeah guys, so I serious thing man. I'm black on if you're not serious. If you're not send them gift. Kelly, can I send uncle something please? Alright, somebody say yes, we have gift badge. Me start with from tonight if you're not serious. Me start when I blacklist where I talk and it's unblock people. Yeah man, I unblock the people and man if you're serious. Send them some gift. But you know, saying when I unblock, I don't know so I ain't gonna get me black on again. You know I stay. So when you come here, the moderator and see how much people you really black for sure.
TikTok, I want to look at his thinking, but I want to hold him. Talk up between guys, talk up between and send some gift for Uncle Derrick.
Boy, I tell it, boy, bro.
Hey, me take my time talk. Hey, look at me, go take my time talk. The girl them say, Derrick, no what you said, man. Anytime you hold him blow to that half a tree, anyway, I know you can be team.
See here there.
Then those coming, you know, then those coming up, then say they would dead, they would bad at it. Not now go everybody coming, you know.
Oh, not now go on. Oh.
See the way them is on it.
Them not get no business.
They like me too, you know, them not, you know, they like me.
Yeah, them like your man, cause you have a vibes, you know, you have a buzz. What you say now, mastermind?
Oh, yeah, listen, uncle, man.
Oh. I'm no business with the people, them in the mastermind. I'm no business with people.
The Virgo, yeah. The Virgo come like 2 o'clock hours. I remember going at 2 o'clock hours. Virgo. I remember saying no. See me,
Derrick, we are calling my name so fuck. You go over Destiny, I tell Destiny to be your life probably about me and Rosealee. Now you tell me to answer Rosealee last night. Now you tell me to answer Rosealee last night. Why would I so wicked and lie? Eh? Why would I so wicked and lie? Tell the story, all the story. God, don't tell a lie, probably. I'm tired of clear lies. I'm tired of people, I'm tired of lie. Tell the story, how it go. You tell me say to answer the woman.
Come on.
You tell me answer.
Come on.
Martina, how are you going to say tonight?
You take him out, car.
Really sit down, Virgo.
Just take him out. Take him out.
I'm going to be taking Uncle Virgo and I feel this is at the toilet.
I'm here. Virgo did not the box last night.
Look here. The man called me and tell me about Virgo. So I say Virgo and Rosealee are friends. And that me say, you know, me never tell him to because nothing. You know, listening, you know, you say laba him up. Me just take him off. Can't bother with him.
Oh my God.
Him don't want to listen with.
Yeah, I'm going to be Virgo and Uncle. Nobody not going to make them
but him and yap. You know, listen what me I say. Me say.
So I'm Uncle Virgo. I said, but you are my friend too.
Rosealee class anybody. We no can have money to give Rosealee. Because Rosealee class Virgo and class Virgo for over Virgo things. And tell Virgo have one underpants full of all that kind of things. A wicked girl.
Uncle, me can say something to you, so me can never just make him talk.
I don't want to hear about that. I want to hear about the gift. I come in anytime to that. I go for a long chat. Much chatting we talk for evening. In came to come and we chat for evening. We don't long go for long chatting.
Yeah, Uncle, bring me in for the fuck here.
We can't make you for talking.
Don't give it Uncle there. Don't give it Uncle. No.
At that, the people that say me disrespect right cute. Catch me as a send some gift, but I the same thing over and over.
We can't bother with it. We can't bother. Bro, come say that not right, but in my company level chat. You know, come and say, Derrick, boy, I not like what Rosealee do. Like him for the Rosealee.
He said we tell the story the right way.
Tell the story the right way.
She da call him on him phone and in the Uncle live last night.
Yes.
And then
that's Uncle. Uncle say
and then Uncle says for answer and hear what she has say. And him answer.
Me never go on Destiny life none tall. Yeah.
No, not me talk. Rosealee that calls Virgo.
Send some gift if you don't want to see Virgo in the box. I clear up everything with
Virgo. Listen up, Virgo. They were one next guy live, and I'm get a
real life friend. Them they never seen in a real life.
So Uncle, if somebody experience and I'm over here, when I send a money gone.
Virgo there, man.
Where me by me over one next man live and man I bring me down. A Dali I bring you down. Dali where a man I Canada I bring you down. Over there live. I'ma go over there. I say we ain't leave Derrick. What Derrick do you? They say what Derrick do you? Dali where you a man in all in my inbox. Dali, all of me inbox, and my cousin inbox. My cousin come show me. I says a man or a woman this. And I says a dirty batty man. And me I bring down Dali. Me I bring down Dali from Canada and say leave out of the story alone. Cause she depend. Not now I'm to Rose. Not now I'm say leave out of the story. Dali is a man. And so me I bring her down. Dali can't come by me. Dali is a man.
Take a time talk.
No, to them over the line. I'm here Destiny call up on the phone. I say, you hear from Virgo. I say no. A Rosealee friend, but me a friend to Derrick, and me gonna tell the truth. If me a friend and me cannot tell the truth, that don't make our friendship keep going. You understand? I always say leave the. Why me never want?
But the tree man,
which tree man? Me no come up. As me come, me attack. Me address Destiny. When Destiny call you, what kind of tree man? Now you tell her to send the man them. She out tell her to send man if a she, and we don't know if a she send the man. She said she was going to send man. Man can't come from anywhere.
Yeah. You man don't talk.
Listen, she talks. She was send man and pay man $20,000. Yes, but I am saying we don't no. Say them after that it come from. But if anything happened to you based on what she said the night before, she could get be blamed for.
Virgo, you say anybody coming a blood clot when I argument to me to hold them in a car about later than night at all. Listen shut up about.
Listen to me. Me a talk based on work one. I'm here you tell Destiny said Rosealee and Virgo are friends.
The boy them say Rosealee send them to me. The boy
them tell you. Them tell you that today when them come to the park say Rosealee send them.
Look on the blood clot. Look on the video Rosealee send now. I'm Kemton. Play the man know no.
I thought
no, I miss the video. I might put I miss the video.
Come in what your chat say. Come here. Now I want more argument with you.
I miss the video, Kems.
Oh, but I can play upon it.
And we are alone talk that. You are alone talk everybody, every gay guy talk about. Every gay guy talk.
Then Derrick, me give her. So we are trying to me give her right. Say she said man come for you. Listen to people in the box. Listen to what I am saying. I am saying yes. She said she was head man and she don't talk and whatever. I am saying no. The boy them come. Me never know. So the boy them tell you say Rosealee send them. So what you say?
Everybody know. I mean everybody know I'm from everybody I talk about. Me know what you say. Me I go back and see tomorrow.
Say no go on TV with them PR. About the story.
You're not getting about no right. You know right.
Me say all you do go back at the station and you do what you have to do. That me say? We mean right.
Top of the stream, guys.
Even if they said that, it don't have to be true because people mischievous.
Now go block your blood clot. Wanna come off?
She not saying nothing wrong.
Set up some gift, guys, in the meantime. Set up some rose, money gun, anything, hand heart, anything.
Hey, look what I read before me start clot up the girl. Read what the girl I said before me start run at the girl first. Me was shop me the rotten old girl I said.
Which girl?
She named Queen.
Kems, remember to send me the number, yeah?
Somebody for cool, you trouble people too much. Sleepless night fear.
Alright. Big stinking pussy girl. Your pussy big and stink na blood clot. Or take a string and drop the shit out of my body wall. Your body man a fuck out na your blood clot. Old nasty dirty stinking pussy girl. Your pussy stink. Come tomorrow to blood clot tomorrow town. Come bomber clot town tomorrow the park. See me. Stinking blood clot queen, your pussy stink. I put a rat out my blood clot. Your pussy stink. I put a rat out my blood clot. Germs girl, naughty salamite girl. Naughty salamite girl.
Stop telling people before come at town, Derrick. Stop telling people before come at town.
You didn't get a talk about.
Me not read what she said, but I said stop going forward, stop telling people come at town. More than your class, them and tell them what you tell them.
Come out this stinking pussy girl, come off your blood clot, come up dead dog. You come like a crab blood.
I agree with that part, the Virgo. Not telling nobody to come at town, uncle.
Come out on, we talk already, come up blood clot, come out on. Come out on, come out for this pussy clot, dead dog.
One first stay badness in a man.
Come out on.
Kems, tell him to stop telling people to come at town.
Come out on, come on, we don't want to come to another people in place now.
You can't tell man a pistol, me shit.
No, but we must tell him to come at town for Kems.
I know. Wish you were for me, buddy.
See the people say they get a call Virgo, they have Virgo friend.
Derrick, me not have it today tonight. You need to really understand.
Virgo, the girl that called.
Today on Monday, read the comment to the woman say, I mean, I want a girl in the comment that troll me. Cause me not give in to nothing me never do. I was on the live in the box. I never thought this final.
I said I'm still
and my phone I ring. I said, CMX. Rosealee, I come from my next phone day. And you turn to me and say, answer the call. And the 2 hour throw up on the phone. 2 hour call. Who that?
Come on for this. Come on for the junk, bro. Go clean up antibody. Go take care of antibody. I send I did those. Where? Come on, man. Go on, we have now.
Patros, don't troll me, please. Please do not troll me, yeah?
Come on for this. You left umbrella. Come on, Jamaica, come worry people about man. I ain't nothing to do with your blood clot. No comments, I mean I like it, I don't like you. I know where you come up, where you follow me back up, where you follow me up for. You know where you follow me up for. One a blood clot dead man.
No, where some of them for? I'm a moderator, no, we're moving for.
No, I don't want him there. No, I'm an enemy for nobody.
Where move my moderator for? Where him do you?
You see this